In this video, I'll tell you two methods by which you can easily update Google Play Store on any Samsung device. First of all, navigate to your Play Store application like so, and after that tap on this profile icon which is at the top right corner like this. Then scroll down and go to settings. After that tap on about like this, then scroll down and right here you can see Play Store version, and if there is any update available it will be updated. Simply tap on update Play Store like so. However, my Play Store is already updated, so I will tap on got it like this. However, update comes late within the application. There is one more method by which you can easily update Play Store application. Simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to about phone. Then scroll down once again and tap on software information, and right here you can see Google Play System Update. Tap on that, and if there is update available it will tell you. However, since my Play Store is already updated, it is saying your device is up to date. So that's how you can easily check for updates of Play Store on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.